Hey guys, Nick with Fanatik Bike here. I work up on the sales floor at our local shop in Bellingham, Washington. I just built up this alloy Transition Sentinel. I have been on 27.5 bikes for quite a while prior to this. I was on a Carbon Scout previously, and I was just looking to get a bike that carries speed a little bit more, and I'm finding this thing carries speed quite well. Yeah, just want to do a little bike check for you, kind of run through the build. We'll start up front here. Got a Fox 36 Grip 2 fork on there. Performance Elite Series. And got a Chromag Ranger stem. Foo bars, yes, they're 31/8. They're alloy. I'm a fan of more traditional bar. We have a lot of good carbon options too, but that's my personal preference. I've been a long-time fan of Shimano brakes. Got XT 4-piston brakes on this thing. Some of you old-timers might notice these ODI Rogue grips. That can be a point of controversy, but I really like them. I tend to ride without gloves most of the time, and my hands are happy on them. My calluses are happy. So I've got some WeAre1 Union wheels on this thing. I had these on my previous bike as well, and shout out to Kyle, one of our wheel builders. He built them up for me. They are really fantastic, super stiff, but not too stiff. They're not harsh. They are 30 mil internal width, awesome for a 2.4 to 2.6 tire. I'm running Schwalbe tires. Longtime fan of the Magic Mary up here up front, and I've been running a Big Betty on the rear for about a year or so now, and find that it's a really awesome rear tire, kind of similar to a DHR2 in some ways, but I find that it bites up and brakes a little bit better. I've got a Fox Float X2 for my rear shock. Really love the tunability of it. It has awesome support, and I don't mess around with it too much, but basically get it dialed and find a really sweet spot for it, and it rips. One thing to note up front on this fork, molded Fox fender. Pretty stoked on that. No rattly zip ties, as I have mainly used in the past. Got full XT drivetrain on this thing, which I'm super happy with. Been running Shimano stuff for a long time in that department as well. Another notable favorite on this bike is these Chromag Daga pedals. They are, in my opinion, the grippiest flat pedal you can buy. They've got 12 pins on each side, and they're mean. They'll beat your shins up, and I have done that. Got an Ergon SM Enduro Comp saddle. That's very personal preference, as you all know, but great saddle, not too outside of the norm. Really happy for my butt. And 1-up 210 dropper post on this thing. These bikes come stock with a 180 post often, but as you can see here, you can get that seat super low and out of the way. Big fan of how that went. And yeah, so one thing I forgot to mention about this wheel set, did Hope Pro 4 hubs on it. Got a little color matchy, and they're really reliable, decently high engagement hubs, nothing crazy, but we build a lot of wheels with Hopes, and a lot of people are really happy with them. If you got any questions about the Sentinel, or transition bikes in general, feel free to give us a shout by calling the shop. Shoot us an email at sales@fanatikbike.com, or swing on by, and we'd love to chat with you. Thanks for watching.